Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Ubeesize ring light. So I've actually never owned a ring light before. This is my first one, and I usually use these lights. So these are two IKEA lamps, and you plug them on your USB. You can plug them to the wall or USB, and they're really cool because they can move around. But I wanted to try out the ring light. Everyone always asks me as a YouTuber, oh, do you use the ring lights? They love their ring lights. So we finally wanted to buy our own and try it out for ourselves. All right, so this is the Ubeesize ring light. Interesting name. A lot of these companies have really interesting names. So let's do the unboxing. Check this out. Like I said, I've never owned one of these before, and I only use the IKEA USB lamps. So right off the bat, it comes in this nice case. And I usually buy accessories when they have a case attached to it, just so that it makes it easier to travel. So this actually looks like a laptop case that they've just branded. So right off the bat, I'm just going to undo this part, unzip it. Oh. So this is what it looks like inside, and I'm gonna pull out the pieces one by one to show you all the items that are in the bag. So first thing I pulled out is a shoulder strap for the bag. So you can clip this on the outside and then put it as a shoulder strap if you don't want to carry it with the handle like this. Next, we've got an attachment for a cell phone. We're going to actually be mainly using this with our Logitech webcam. So we're going to have this placed behind our laptop, behind the Logitech webcam. So it's got this neat looking holder for the cell phone, and I'm sure that clips onto the light there. Then we have a remote. This is probably a Bluetooth remote for your cell phone. If you're going to be using this with your cell phone, you can probably take pictures or click record with this. Oh, and there's also a little instructional guide for the USB Bluetooth remote shutter. Now we've got a mini tripod. This is a cute little tripod. I wanted a smaller version of the ring light because I want to put it on the table. There are all different kinds of sizes and even smaller ones than this. I believe that this is like the 10-inch one, but I think you can go even smaller than that and even way larger. So I wanted one that would fit on the desk, and this is what it looks like, really tiny and small. It looks like it has a bunch of levers, so you can actually still make this quite tall, even though I'm going to be putting it on the desk like this. It looks like that it can actually go quite high. And last in this bag here, we have the ring light. I've never used one of these before, so this is going to be interesting. Got a little, oh yeah, this is the 10.2-inch ring light with tripod stand. And then right here, we've got the actual ring light. And it's got a USB and a remote right here. So let's quickly put this together and see what it looks like. Alright, so I just put this thing together and it's pretty simple. Just follow the instructions. You just want to make sure that you screw in the ring light here at the top, and there's this little screw here that you just need to turn. Once you've put this ring light on top, you just move this little dial and it will screw into place. Now, you don't have to have all the attachments on. It's quite customizable. So you can just have the ring light. Like for instance, I'm not going to be putting this cell phone mount on my ring light because I'm mainly going to be using it for the webcam, which is going to be on my laptop. And you've also got this knob right here, which can tilt the angle of the ring light. So you can go like this or go the other direction. So you can angle it all different ways. And then you've got the remote here, and then this plugs into your computer, into your USB, and then make sure to tighten this here at the bottom. And as you can see, it's got 4 knobs, so I'm gonna just extend it, and I think it's gonna get really long. So you can actually get some pretty good height off of this thing. I think there's the last one. Yeah, so this thing is actually taller than me, and I'm 5'3". As for this other thing, it wasn't in the instructions, but I've figured out that it's pretty much another cell phone holder. So if you wanted to place your cell phone right here, you could. And on the ring light here, it's got a mount as well. So different camera accessories, you can mount different accessories and equipment here as well. Like I said, I haven't tried this thing out yet, just wanted to do an unboxing. I will be doing another video testing this thing out to see the actual difference and if it actually makes you look better on videos by having a ring light. So far from what I can see, it looks like it's definitely worth the $40 that I purchased it for. I got it on Amazon, and you guys can check out the links in the description below. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.